Hello friends and family, Happy New Year and welcome back. So I decided that this year's videos we will probably just go ahead and leave out the moments of inspiration because my videos are going a lot longer than I would like them to and I talk a lot. And I myself like videos where I'm just straight to the point, explain it, show it, share it, feedback, and that's it. So anyway, I hope that you'll still stay and join me. Today we have LiveGlam. So if you don't know what LiveGlam is, it is a Lippie monthly collection for $19.99. A month you receive 3 to 4 full-sized Lippie items, and they can be a lipstick bullet, a liquid lipstick, lip scrub, lip liner, any of those variations. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is actually the December collection because I don't get this shipped out to me until December 21st. So I just received it this last week. So anyway, what you get, so the December collection, long story short, is this Bling in the Holidays. You receive these 3 lippies here, and then on the card it'll share those lipsticks with you. Now in the past I have switched out this collection. You can switch it out for a previous collection, or you can choose to just swap out one item. I did that last month and I was very sad that I swapped one out, and I wish I wouldn't have. So this month I didn't swap any out. So here we go. Alright, it looks like we got an extra bonus item, and it is a Pika Pika chili powder candy. It looks like, oh, Skittles. Chili powder ingredients. Yeah, so okay. So it's some kind of mouth waters in Spanish is what it says down here. So I'm excited. Let's open this baby up. Let's see if we like her. I mean, I'm all about some Mexican candy. Let's see. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's got that. So I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever had these. Yum. Alright, why not? Mmm. Mmm. Oh, those are good. Mmm. Definitely tastes like a Mexican flavored Skittle. So if you look back here, it says Skittles with a Z. Mmm. Those are good. Alright, anyway. Let's get back to LiveGlam here. You always get these pretty little bags with their logo on it. And let's see. Ooh, look at these gorgeous beauties. Look at that. Come on. Oh, there we go. Look at how classy those beautiful babes are. And look how pretty all of these colors are. So let me go ahead and look at the card. Alright, we have expensive, high-end, and diamonds. I love it. Oh, I love it. And I didn't wear my lipstick so we could put it on thy lips and give her a test. I've learned we're going to save the red for last. Alright, let's go ahead and do this pretty color. This one is expensive. And that is this mauve color here. I don't know if I can get that in the shot. But the colors there, again, got this beautiful. Here is the applicator, in case you were curious about that. And let's go ahead and swap this baby on. You guys feel like I need some light? Let me turn this other light on for a second. Alright, let's see. That might be better. Is it better? Anyway, okay, here we go there. Really pretty. So, let's put this on thy lips. This is just my little dollar store mirror. Got this from Dollar Tree for $1. And I like it. So, okay, let's see. Okay, so of course I'm not applying it on perfect or anything, but ooh. And you bet your eyes I like this. Okay, I still have some silliness. I like it. Now this is a color that would go great with this look. Again, it's fast drying, very nice on the lips, doesn't suck you dry. It's a very good quality, so I'm very happy with that guy. I think I may want to wear this in a couple of other videos. Alright, next up we have High End, and this is also another mauve color, but as you can see, it's just a slightly different shade, a little more pink, whereas this one was more nude. And you know I'm all about those nudes. Same applicator, obviously, but I thought I'd share that anyway. So there's that. And we'll go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison here. Ooh, very fun. And let me just quickly remove this so that we can try the other on. Okay. All right. Let's give it a whirl. Oh yeah, I love these. My signature wannabe pose. Anyway, same qualities, same consistency. I do like it. Very pretty on the lips. Not a huge difference from this shade. I think they're similar, but yet they are different enough that you can change your look up. I do still think, like with the makeup that I currently have on, I would probably go with the first one, Expensive, that we tried. So that was my dog. She always wants to go outside or get a treat whenever I'm doing videos, and it's like, man, my pup, like pup. I just literally tried to let you out. You didn't want anything to do with me. Anyway, okay, let's go ahead and wipe this off, and then we'll talk about this beautiful red. Alrighty, so red is called Diamonds. So here's that. It just kind of looks, you know, like it didn't get through the whole bottle, but that's fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. And this does look like it has some like glitter in it. So there's the applicator there. Very pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. This definitely is for a holiday look, for sure. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Let's see. And I'm not too, let's see here. Oh, that's pretty. I'm not a red lipstick person for the most part, but I do like, you know, something like this for the holidays. If you get dressed up, if you're going out, New Year's, this would be good for Valentine's. So it's a little, I wannabe pose. It has a little hint of like an orangish color, which I really like. But anyway, all of them very good on the lips, feel very well. So like I said, you get these 3 items for $19.99 a month. you do get to see the collection. They usually release it on the 21st as well, so I can see what January's looks like, and they give you an opportunity to switch for a different selection or collection. You do also get an opportunity to just switch one out if you'd like, but this was the whole full set of the Bling in the Holidays. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. Now these, I believe, originally go for somewhere around between $7 and $9 each. I believe that they end up being, I want to say $7, because I think for the total of the Lippies it's $21 and you're getting them for $19.99. So it's not a huge discount like we see in other subscriptions. However, it is still a good deal. It's fair. You get the whole collection. You do get to use your, you do earn points. You do get to use, like kind of like Ipsy, when you review things, you earn points, and you can use those points towards a free item or whatever. So anyway, if you have not tried LiveGlam, I suggest you try it out. I do like it to build up a lipstick collection. They're very nice, very soft on the lips. They do dry matte, but they do not leave your lips dry. I know I've said that several times. And then this month we did get that free sample of these candies, which I thought were delicious if you like that type of thing. And it does say, you know, enjoy your free sample. So, you know, that's fun. If you're curious about my eyes, my eye look, I don't know if you can see it up close. I did use the Visi Art palette from our BoxyCharm bag. And then what else I used? Where did it go? Oh, I used for the inner lid here, I used this Artist Couture Gold Digger from Ipsy. Oh man, this stuff, it's gorgeous. It's just absolutely stunning. I had to put it in there because this was an all matte palette, and I thought, how can I use, what can I do here with this look? And so that's what I put there. And I also put it on the under eye here. So I'll try and zoom that in. Anyway, you can see this look. Follow me on my Instagram. Also, I'll link down below for LiveGlam as well. And again, Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video. Deuces!